PTTI was initially put together in order to be able to deal with the recidivism in the Philadelphia community. A lot of people are not geared for college. People who are unemployed, locked out of the skilled labor market, and never have a real opportunity to build upon real good, strong careers to take care of their families. We're able to put together the school in a way that brings value to the city.
PTTI provides 6 major programs with hands-on education and training in transforming technologies, which are continuously used to provide essential high-demand services. These programs include Welding Technology, Manufacturing and Automation, Automotive Repair, Steam, Sprinkler and Pipe Fitting, Concrete, Masonry and Framing, and Central Processing Service. With the help of industry partnerships, PTTI has developed an effective school curriculum for job placement and lifetime career advancement. In just 6 months, students receive expert-level instruction and experience that include the skills needed to secure a good-paying job after graduation. In addition, students will work with their peers and professional instructors, allowing everyone to build relationships and connections. PTTI helps secure interviews to send students into their industry after graduation. The Philadephia Technician Training Institute is committed on utilizing the best technology, instructors, and management team to support our students' education, career results, and overall well-being for themselves and their families. Contact us today for more information and what we can do for you. The Philadephia Technician Training Institute. Changing lives one at a time.